Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching a quick friendly DIY project today. We're going to show you how to carefully and properly remove a Peerless shower handle. Just the handle. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, inside the shower now, and this is a Peerless handle and faucet set. And we are going to show you how to remove this handle right here. Direct your attention to this outer cap here. And I've got a Phillips screwdriver and this little joint or putty knife. And the reason why I'm using this is because it has a fine tip on it. In the event that we use a bulky flathead screwdriver, we won't be able to get in between this cap and the handle itself, and we could actually increase the chances of scratching it, and we don't want that. So get yourself a fine tip knife like this, and all you're going to do is work it in and carefully push out on the cap. Once you separate it from the handle, you can set the knife down and you can use your fingers to carefully grab it off, and you'll notice how it secures itself in. It has all these little teeth. So carefully set that aside, grab your Phillips screwdriver. Inside here is a Phillips screw. Go ahead and remove that. And as you loosen up the screw, you will want to hold the handle in the off position or closed position to alleviate the water turning on. We've already done that, and the screw is almost out. After loosening up the screw, we'll set the screwdriver down and we can carefully shift the handle off. And there is the inner mechanism there. And in the event that you run into the same issue we ran into months ago when we moved in, once we turned the handle on to hot, it never got hot. But guess what? Once we shifted it back to the cold position, it got hot. And in the event that you are experiencing that, whoever installed the inner mechanism and stem installed it wrong. However, for your convenience, scrolling above is a step-by-step video on how to properly realign and position your inner stem and mechanism to get it back to hot water when the handle is in the hot position. And what we'll do from here is just carefully realign this and reinsert the Phillips screw and secure it. Do your absolute best not to cross thread the screw. And again, just go ahead and tighten it down. Do not over tighten it. You want it snug, but do not over tighten it. Once the screw is snug, go ahead and grab your cap. Again, the inner teeth, and carefully realign it. You might want to clean the outer surface here and just push it into place until it clicks and is secured. Just like that. And as you can see, DIYers, a very simple and friendly DIY project. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And one more thing, check this out. In the event that you have a Peerless faucet set, as shown here, and want help removing your handles to replace your stems, definitely check out the link down below in the comment section as well as the description section. Hope to see you there.